Welcome to the Chinamans Bluff Painting Workshop. Hi, I'm Richard Robinson. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to design a painting like a professional artist does using thumbnail sketches, grayscale studies and color studies. As soon as you see how this is done, your paintings are going to leap ahead of where they are now. I'll also show you how to paint beautiful translucent water and reflections, and how to simplify complex detail and create a romantic diffused light effect. And then I'll show you how to add the finishing details that make your painting sparkle with life. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. So happy painting, let's get started.